Welcome to Single Point Global. Thank you for joining the file sharing tutorial by Single Point. Today we will learn what is file sharing with ShareSync, access files from anywhere, collaborate with ease, share files securely, and features of ShareSync. ShareSync is an enterprise-class cloud file backup and sharing service. It allows you to back up your files in real time to protect against data loss due to computer issues or accidental file deletions. Securely access all your files from any computer, the ShareSync web portal, and mobile devices whenever and wherever you need them. Securely share your files with coworkers and external collaborators. The ShareSync desktop client works on Windows 7, 8, 10, as well as Mac 10.10 and higher. Once ShareSync is installed on your computer, it creates a designated sync folder called My ShareSync and adds it to favorites in Windows Explorer. All files and folders added to the My ShareSync folder are automatically backed up and synced to the cloud, as well as all the user's devices where ShareSync is installed. Files and folders can be moved to the My ShareSync folder using standard file folder operations, such as copy, cut, and paste, or drag and drop. ShareSync allows you to back up My ShareSync folder, desktop, and your documents. All files and folders added or updated in these locations will be backed up to ShareSync in real time. Manage sharing permissions for files and folders on your desktop. You can also determine file sync status and locating share folders. Sync status icons show whether a file or folder in your My ShareSync folder is up to date. The green check will show that the folder or file content is up to date. The blue cycle lets you know that the content is currently being backed up and synced. The gray negative sign is the file is not syncing because it's excluded by admin file extension policy. ShareSync Web allows you to securely access your ShareSync files and folders from any computer with a web browser. You can do the following actions within ShareSync Web. Access files and folders in My ShareSync, desktop, and your Documents folder. Search by keyword matching the file or folder name or content file. Upload, restore files, manage files and folders, share files and folders, view your activity feed, and download desktop client and mobile apps. Here you see a screen capture of what the My ShareSync web will look like. We will cover this in another tutorial. You can share your folders with coworkers and external collaborators. You can select permissions, view, modify, or set as co-owner. You can also send a link to share the file or folder. This can be password protected as an option. View permissions allows collaborators to only view content in shared folders. Any changes made to documents will not be synced to other collaborators' folders. Modify permissions allows you to view, modify, and delete content in shared folders. Changes made by other collaborators will be synced to your My ShareSync folder. Co-owner permissions allows you to reshare folders with access permissions, share files, folders as web links, and permanently delete files in addition to all the features provided by the Modify permission. Please note, as a security measure, external collaborators can only be assigned view or modify permissions. They cannot reshare the content you've shared with them. Here you see a screen capture of the activity feed. It will show all activity of the user's account, whether you've generated a web link, for example, added a document, deleted, or updated, for an example. Thank you for joining the file sharing tutorial by Single Point Global.